This is a new type of counting machine. It can count tablets, candies, soft gels, and other products accurately with optical fiber. Before operation, we need to adjust the hopper height depending on the product size. We can't set counting quantity per time, output, and other parameters on the touch screen. Adjust the machine speed to the proper via the knob, and push the green start button. As the machine vibrates, tablets can enter the discharging channel orderly. When the set quantity is reached, the baffle sheet will automatically switch to the other channel, and makes a smaller noise in this process than those of other similar machines, which is great progress we make. But we find that the machine doesn't count accurately. We have a second test. After the tests, we are sure the machine counting is not accurate and should be fine-tuned. Hold down the lower right angle of the touch screen for some seconds and enter the fine-tuning page, on which we can reset the filtering time of the optical fiber counting module. After fine-tuning, start the machine again, and let it run for a while before practical counting. Check the counting again, and we find it's accurate now.